What's going on, Auto Lust fam? We finna get straight over to Ken's Automotive and get these bolt-ons put on. They in the back. I'm talking boost pipe, charge pipe, down pipe, all type of pipe. If my girl was around right now, she'd be wanting me to lay pipe and all this pipe. But yeah, and the front mount intercooler, guys. So we finna get right on over here. Bump all the talking. Let's get to it.
Because Richard put this name on the account, it's supposed to be Ken's Automotive. Ken's Automotive, yo, give me money.
You got $26 you need help? You got it?
You got change?
I don't have any cash. Not. I gotta go to the ATM. Trying to get the power out this motherfucker.
Guess them bolt holes. It's gotta be what it is right there.
Oh, I bet you don't put that shield on anymore. Well,
I think it. Yeah, I think it's
back on.
Yeah, I think it's the same. It fits the same factory location, so it
Yeah,
should.
well,
It just
here-
go up higher instead
These
of.
here are the mounting bolts right here, and they don't look the same. You got this peg here.
Uh-huh.
You got that there, and that when that.
So my mounting bolts-
When that cover's on, that's what holds that in. When the cover's gone, that's what releases it. But
I don't think the bolts was. They put the bolts back in, huh?
no, they go right here. It's a part of the cover.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what holds it in is the cover.
Oh, so the cover goes. Yeah, well that mean the cover got to go back on because he said this uses the factory mounting hardware
Let's see. Let's check it out.
and just sat it on top of it.
Yeah. That's gonna fit. Let me see. Is that
Yeah, it got to go this way.
way.
Yeah, you got bolts
There's got to be some more bolts.
right here.
Yeah, that's probably. Yeah, I bet you're right, Dana.
Those two,
These two.
That big bolt. Well, there's a bar that goes across there.
and there's one up here.
And there will be no plastic going back then.
There's a big bar that goes across.
Oh, so that mounts to something else then.
Well, it might mount to this bar hole.
See up here, there's a hole here
Maybe, yeah.
and a bolt hole here, which
Yeah.
looks like it would line up with.
Yeah. We'll get that old in.
No, right there.
They ain't not seen the 6 years and so goddamn long. They was just asking about it on the comments. Uh-oh, tablet game. Yeah, don't be trying to hide. There you go, trying to hide. That's him trying to hide. They already know you anyway from the tuning the car, seeing you in the camera. They like, that's your cousin that was tuning the car? I say, yeah, that's him. So they know what you look like anyway. Come on, Empower. Oh yeah, get that on there. Get that on there. Get that on there. Empower. Empower. all the way.
When I get to my destination, I shut my car off, I'll be stuck. All the time, I'll be gone.
No, because it won't let you leave the key.
I was at the junkyard, I had my keys in my hand. And I was tapping on my pocket, going, oh, I left my keys in the junkyard, but they were in my hand.
Yeah, last time I left my light and my hat, or something like that in there. I think my light, trying to go back and go back in
Especially you shut in your muscle too.
Ours pretty much just this band
there. Yeah,
clamp,
the
right?
fun one now, right?
That's the one that JT cars was giving you hell with.
No,
Remember, it didn't want to
get
tighten
that
up.
Connection undone. Sometimes you gotta heat them up a little bit. You know, work them.
I was gonna say this should be a brand new truck. It should with low miles, so it shouldn't be that bad.
Well, heat. You know, once they get heated, you heat 'em up. Expand, get a little rust in there.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. I don't get them all the time. I get them. Sometimes you gotta wiggle and jiggle and beat.
I make sure I always get them babies ceramic coated first.
Yes, sir.
Before and after. Yep, just like that. And down here, right there.
Right. Oh, bang.
hanging on to the band. That bracket's hidden. The bracket ain't right or something's gotta go. All that stuff there's probably gotta go. Cause that ain't gonna go in there with that bracket. Like that.
Alright guys, as you can see, I have the new charge pipe installed. The fitment was perfect. And you can see there's a methanol injection bong there, well, a little port for the methanol injection. And as you can see, the new intercooler is installed, and it's huge, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get in closer. You can see the top of it there. I mean, but it's huge, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep it G, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. The parts ain't fit because I was being cheap. Straight out, simple, plain as day. A bill was being cheap, and the parts don't fit. Simple as that. The downpipe totally didn't fit. The O2 sensors were clocked the wrong way, and the mounting bracket was on the wrong side. I mean, it wouldn't have fit if we had aerospace engineers in there putting it in. It wouldn't have fit. Second, the boost pipe and the charge pipe. Again, me being cheap. The charge pipe fit, but the boost pipe didn't fit. You know, so what me and Mr. Kenny tried to do, the owner of Ken's Automotive, we tried to cut my factory boost pipe and put the rubber coupler onto the, well, not the rubber, the silicone coupler, but put the piece of aluminum that came with the boost pipe onto the factory piece so it fit inside the intercooler, and that didn't work. One, because that hole was made to expand and contract to a certain degree, and it was no way something foreign was getting in there. So I had to order another pipe, this one, off of eBay, and pay $60 overnight shipping to get my car off the lift. You know, when we should have just put the boost pipe back on when we had the chance, you know, but being cheap. So I end up having to buy, let me tell you guys, if you watch the last video about the parts coming in, and down in the description, it shows the links to all the parts. Don't worry about ordering any of those parts, because I changed the links from the parts that I bought and put the right part number in it that's gonna fit. So if you see this, don't buy it. Buy that. You know, and also the charge pipe on the BMW F15, which is the X5, F16, which is the X6, with the straight 6 N55 motor, do not buy a charge pipe kit if it comes with the boost pipe. Because the new, I don't know if the old version, the E70 and E71, E70, I don't know the old chassis of the old X6 and X5, but maybe it fits that N55, but not the F15 and F16. Definitely not. And the boost pipe on the F15 and F16 are totally sufficient to handle boost. It's just the charge pipe that's plastic, you know, so I should have just changed that and went on about my business. So if you see a kit selling the charge and boost pipe together, don't buy it. Buy the FTP charge pipe kit by itself. You know, so what I did was I went on to Extreme Powerhouse and bought an ER down pipe. I'm gonna put that down in the description of this video as well as the prior video. And I actually used the charge pipe from the first kit I bought, but you know, so I only really got half the parts on the car. You know, so when the new downpipe come in, then I'll be able to actually put the downpipe on and tune the car, because I already paid for the Boot Mod 3 tune and I already have the cable. So I'm also gonna do a video on that. So if you guys never tuned your car with Boot Mod 3, I never did. So we're gonna be doing it together first thing, you know, firsthand. I did a DME tune and I did a Beamer Performance Center tune, which they no longer do tunes. So we're gonna do that together. I'm gonna put a video of me actually tuning stage 2 with all the bolt-ons on the X5, and we're gonna do some nasty passes, some exhaust clips, and some races. I'm gonna race the M6. I don't care because his car is 800 horsepower. I'm gonna race the M6 with my X5, because trust me, that thing is quick. Now, he's probably gonna win, but as you guys will see, it's not gonna be an easy race whatsoever. Trust that. But yeah, guys, yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, man. But like, share, subscribe, you know, to the content. Thank you guys for coming back who's already subscribed, and welcome to the Autolust family. For anybody who's new, you know, and I'm gonna do a part 2 of the bolt-on install as soon as the downpipe come, and I'm also gonna do the Boot Mod 3 tune in that same video. You know, I'm not gonna scratch out with a bunch of filler videos, you know, boring videos. You know, I'm gonna scratch them out if I have to, you know, like I don't want to see you guys see me put every bolt or nut or twist every screw in, you know, so I don't want to make a videos full of technical stuff either. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys, and thank you guys very much for watching, and Autolust out.